friends! Are you ready to learn your colors today? Welcome to the color world! Let's go! What color is this, friends? Can you say it with me? That's right! Red! Say it loud, red! Can you find something red in your house right now? Here comes another one! What color is the sun? Yellow! The sun is yellow! Say it with me! Yellow! Yellow like bananas! Yellow like stars! What's your favorite yellow thing? Whoa! I got splashed! Do you know what color that water was? Blue! The water is blue! The sky is blue! Say it, blue! Blue like the sky! Blue like the ocean! Can you give something blue? Ha! A froggy! Friends, what color is this frog? Green! Frogs are green! Say it, green! Green like leaves! Green like broccoli! Do you eat your broccoli? Whoa! What just bumped into me? What color is that? Orange! This fruit is called an orange and it's the color orange. Say it! Orange like tigers. Whoa! So many grapes! Friends, what color are these? Purple! Grapes are purple. Say it with me. Purple like grapes. Purple like flowers. Do you have a favorite color yet? Okay, friends, let's see if you remember all the colors. Ready? What color is this? That's right, red! You're so smart! Yellow! And this one, blue. Ah! Green! You know all your colors. I'm so proud of you. You did it! You learned all your colors today. Let's dance! Color dance! Lindsay! You are so smart. I had the best time learning colors with you today. If you want to learn more with me, hit that button right there. See you next time, friends. Bye!